Hi and welcome to Bikerheadz. My name's Ed and today I'm going to talk you through the Segura Ramirez glove. Okay, now I'm going to talk about a longer glove from Segura. So this is a proper long gauntlet glove, winter glove, but with style from Segura. It's got 110 gram thermal lining, so it's going to be nice and warm in this product. Waterproof lining as well, so there's a membrane built into it, waterproof and breathable of course, so that's built into the whole product. So it can be nice and warm and keep you dry in those cold wet days, sorry. So, full leather lined glove all the way up the top and between the fingers, so there's no textile on this at all. It is a full leather glove, so you've got all that protection. Hard knuckle, C approved as you'd expect from a French product, so it is a C approved knuckle. Stretch panel down the back, it just gives that flexibility on the knuckle so it doesn't dig in too much, because this is a winter glove, you've got the thermal line, there's quite a lot of bulk in this area, so you put the stretch panel on there, just allows that knuckle to move a little bit. Coming back up, stretch panels on all the fingers, again just give you a bit of flexibility around the top and around the bottom of the knuckle, and some padding on the top of the fingers as well. Running around to the palm, you've got full leather glove, again the important area has the leather on it. If you're going to hit the ground, that's where you want your leather to be, that's probably where it's going to hit the ground, so you need the abrasion resistance. On the top of the fingers you've got Segura's sensor system, so you can use that on your mobile phone, your tablet or your TomTom, all those things you can use that. As long as you've got a capacitive screen, you'll be able to use the system there. All down the thumbs leather, and then just some detailing on the palm here, just for a bit of an extra zing, a bit of extra style on this product, because the Segura range, really stylish, so they add those little details. Leather wrist restraint and a Velcro closure, so it's not going to come off in the event of an accident. So all that beautiful design worked into a full-length gauntlet winter glove that's warm and waterproof. If you need more information on this, please go to bikerheadz.co.uk, where you can download a copy of our brochure or pick one up from your local store. If you want to click the like down below, that'd be fantastic.